Who's your friend?
That's Harold, kid from school.
You gotta face your fears.
This place could surprise you.
You've got to watch the premiere of Under Wraps.
Friday at 8.
Only on Disney Channel.
The second person eliminated was Mother Nature. Now we continue with our unmasking from last night. Have you figured out who it is yet? We find out in 3, 2, 1.
Who is it?
Help her, Men in Black. Take it off.
Oh my gosh. Who can this be?
Superstar actress, producer, and director, Vivica A. Fox.
Oh my God, I had it written down in my sheet.
Hey, darling!
Yep, I knew I had.
How did you know?
I just know you. So how much fun did you have as Mother Nature?
Oh my gosh, this has been exhilarating. I challenged myself. You know, I've done so many things in my career, and I've never done anything like this before.